Hi, this is Madhav and I'm going to show you guys how to control your MacBook with your mobile phone. You can use any basic mobile phone with messaging facility. No need for 3G, 2G, Edge, GPRS, nothing. Just messaging. So all you need for this is a freeware for your MacBook that's called Tweet My Mac. So let's go ahead and download that first. You can download it from this site. I'll put the link in the description. Once you have downloaded it, you'll get a zip file. Let's unzip it and we'll get the application Tweet My Mac. I'll put it in my applications folder. Once that is done, let's go to twitter.com. One important thing you should know is you need to have two accounts in Twitter in order to control your Mac. See, I have two accounts, primary and secondary. My primary account is the account that I already had in Twitter, and secondary is an account I specially created for this purpose. So Mad Rules is my primary account and my MacBook Remote is my secondary account. So you first go ahead and create two accounts for it, or one if you already have a primary account. Once you have done that, first sign into your primary account. Once you have signed into your primary account, go to settings. Here in the settings of your primary account, go to the mobile tab in settings. That's here. Go to mobile tab, and you can actually link your phone with your primary Twitter account. If you have not done this, please follow the steps given on screen. It's very easy. I've already done that. Here you can see my number that's been linked to my primary account. Once this is done, we can sign out of this and we'll close this. Once you have linked your phone with your primary account, go to applications and open Tweet My Mac. When you open this application for the first time, you'll see this preference window. It'll ask you for a username and password. Give the username and password for your secondary account and close the preference panel. One thing you have to make sure is your secondary account should be following your primary account. My MacBook Remote should be following Mad Rules. The secondary should follow the primary, and the primary account should also follow the secondary account. If you go to the download page, you'll see supported commands. These are all the commands that you can do using your, these are all the commands that Tweet My Mac will accept. Shutdown, restart, logout, sleep, IP, eyesight, screenshot, save, screensaver, open, quit. We are all set to try this out. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to send a command to shut down my Mac from my phone. The format will be D space your secondary account name space shutdown. This is what I'm going to send from my mobile phone. You'll get the number to which you have to send this when you are linking your phone to your Twitter account. In India, the number is 53000. I don't know about other countries. So you should be sending a direct message to your secondary account. A tweet will not work. You should send a direct message to it. So I've already typed in that message. I don't know if you can see, but I've typed in D space my MacBook Remote space shutdown, and I'm going to send it to 53000. That's my number for Twitter. Okay, so I've done that. So now what we have to do is wait, because this application actually checks the Twitter account every minute to see if it has received a new command. So it's going to take about a minute for the command to be executed. Yeah, So you see here, this computer has been scheduled to shut down in 1 minute from Tweet My Mac. See, this will happen. I'm not going to shut down the system now, so I'm going to hit cancel. So that's about it. So you can use all the commands given in the website. You can see your IP address. If you send IP to your secondary account, then it will tweet back its current IP address. All this you can do from anywhere in the world just using your mobile phone. So it's a great application. It gives you total control over your system. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try it out, it's great, and please comment or subscribe to my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.